Hey guys, Disney Collector here with another Peppa Pig playset. This is the Peppa Pig bakery shop called Pastelería. So now let's open the box and see exactly what we have inside. This playset came with the Pastelería unassembled. It has a lot of parts for us to put it together. It came with a lot of treats, including cupcake and croissant, a lot of stickers for us to customize the playset, but no Peppa Pig. Now that I have this playset all set up, it's time to add the stickers. So inside this drawer, we're gonna keep our credit card and the money that we got. Just found more money. Now that we have our pastelería all set up, we can put our sweets in place. Here's the scale, cake, and more sweets. Since this playset did not come with a Peppa Pig, we're gonna transform a regular Peppa into a chef. Well, this is actually a family business, so everyone gets to be a chef. To make this transformation, all we need is white Play-Doh. To make this chef hat is so easy. You just have to make a little mushroom. And now we have Daddy Pig as a chef. This one is for Mommy Pig. Here comes the chef hat for Peppa Pig. And one for George. Peppa's family looks great as chefs. Now all we need are customers. Hello, may I get a cupcake? Sure. Here's your cupcake, Princess Anna. That'll be $5.95. I would like something special for my sister Elsa. Oh, the Queen? Not to worry, I'll make something fresh for her. Can you make it blue? Absolutely. What are we making for the Queen, Daddy? A donut. Fancy stuff. And now, the frosting. It has to be perfect. It's for the Queen. Let's add some sprinkles. It's perfect, just like a snow day. Elsa, I know you're in there, and I brought you a donut. A donut? I love donuts. Thank you, Anna. Besides having all these sweets and desserts, you can make lots of other sweets and desserts using Play-Doh. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Play-Doh, Frozen and Peppa Pig right here on Disney Collector.